Hello everyone, I'm Nupur and welcome to my YouTube channel Impactful Learning with Nupur. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, okay? First of all, a big thanks to all my learners for appreciating my last video which gave the key crux to remember before understanding the reading, writing, literature and grammar section. Now let's get started. Today's topic is story writing. Firstly, we will discuss the key points to focus before understanding the topic story writing. So, the first topic is marking scheme, second, format, third, key points to remember, and fourth, example with solution. Now, let's see the marking scheme. 1 mark we give to the title, 4 marks we give to the content, 5 marks we give to the rubrics. Rubrics consist of creativity, spellings, fluency, brevity and grammar. So students, this marking scheme is very helpful to write story writing. Now let's see the format. Point to remember, we write story in past tense. Okay, now the format is the title, beginning, characters introduction, plot, conflict, climax, resolution and or moral message. Okay, so you have to follow this format to write a proper story. Now let's see the key impactful points to remember. First point, writing a good story needs the art of narration or dialogue writing. So you need to be creative and imaginative in writing and can include dialogues between the characters. It makes the story very impactful. Second, by reading the introductory lines first, students should follow the theme and not supposed to invent new and different themes. Don't develop any type of story in your head. So sincerely stick to the hint box points or the introductory lines given in the question of story writing. Third, the beginning and the concluding lines must support the main part or the events described in the story. Fourth point, you have to narrate the incidents in a sequential order leading to the final conclusion. And fifth and the most important point, write your story in about 150 to 200 words as per the guidelines laid by the board. So students, these are the key impactful points to remember before writing a story. Now let's see an example with solution. You are Akshara or Arvind of Vivekanand Public School, Kanpur. Your teacher has asked you to write a short story for your school magazine Louds. Using the information given in the hint box with your own details, write a story in about 150 to 200 words. So students, this is the hint box and you have to use these keywords to write the story. Now let's see the story. So I have used the same format which we have discussed here. That is the title, beginning, characters introduction, then plot, conflict, climax, resolution or moral message. Right students? Now let's see the solution. The title is the temper control. Now see the beginning plus characters introduction. Once there was a boy whose nature was peevish. His father gave him a bag of nails and told him that every time he lost his temper, he must hammer a nail into the fence. Okay, this is the beginning plus characters introduction. Now the next paragraph is based on plot, conflict, climax and resolution. The first day, the boy had driven 37 nails into the fence. Over the next few weeks, as he mastered the art of controlling his anger, the number of nails hammered daily gradually dwindled down. He discovered it was easier to hold his temper than to drive those nails into the fence. Eventually, the day came when the boy didn't lose his temper at all. He told his father about it and the father suggested that the boy now pull out one nail for each day that he was able to hold his temper. The days passed and the young boy was finally able to tell his father that he removed all the nails. The father was waiting for this moment. He took hold of his son's hand and led him to the fence. He said, "You have done well, my son, but look at the holes in the fence. The fence will never be the same. When you utter wrong words in anger, they will leave an indelible impression on the mind of the listener. You can hurt a man with a knife and draw it out. It won't matter how many times you say, I am sorry, the wound is still there. Right, students? Now let's see the resolution or the moral message. Make sure you control your words and temper the next time you are tempted to say something you will regret later. I hope this video on story writing has given you absolute clarity, and you can copy the marking scheme, format, key points to remember and example with solution in your notepad or notebook. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you so much, students.